Okay, so I've got a few new products that I wanted to try out in the video with you guys. So the first one is this blush that I got from Topshop. It was such a pretty package. This is in the shade Live a Little. They had a lot of their makeup there that had 20% off, 25% off. And I couldn't actually find the price of this, but I really wanted it, so got it anyway. But it's got like a really nice like matte case on it, and it's got the Topshop logo etched in there. And then that is the shade. It's really nice. It's like a coral color, and then it's got the gold undertone to it. So I've got foundation on there, but I'll try and put it on there for you. It's really nice. So I'm gonna try this out. I think I've tried it yet, so. I'm just gonna put a little bit on. It's really nice. You can see the gold, almost like a highlight in there. Really nice. I like it. I like the colour of it. You definitely don't want to put too much on the brush, but you can see it in the, I don't know if you can see it there in the video, but you can see the gold. That's lush. I did get, I've just done a Secret Santa in work, and we did it last night, and my Secret Santa is one of my friends. She got me this, which is the Makeup Revolution blush palette in the Golden Sugar. So I'm gonna try this out now. I wanna try the highlighters. I wanna try one of those ones there. I haven't had a blush palette before, and I actually don't have that much blush. It's something that I'm trying to stock up a bit on. So I've been meaning to get a blush palette, so I'm quite chuffed with this one here. Really nice. They've got like a marble effect to them as well. So I think I'm gonna go for this one here. So I'm just gonna do a little swatch of that one there. You can see that. I'm gonna use, this was a brush that she actually got me as well, but because I already had the brush, she's actually gonna take it back and swap it for a different one. But she actually got me the Spectrum A10 brush. This is the one that I've already had, so she was taking the one back. So I'm gonna use this, and I'm just gonna dab it about in there. Quite a bit of fallout, but I don't really care about that so much. And then I'm just going to fan it on there. Ooh, it's nice. My face is so shimmery at the moment. Nice, nice. I like that. It goes really nice with the blush as well, with the gold undertone in the blush. But yeah, it's really nice. I can't wait to try the other ones. This one here is actually jumping out at me the most, so I might actually swatch that one now. Really want to see what it looks like. Ooh. I'll roll my sleeve up for this one, I think. Oh my god, look at that. That is so nice. It's like a rose gold shade. I'm gonna try for this next one here. And just do a swatch of that one as well. They're so pigmented, these. So Oh, they're so nice. So excited. I can't wait. I don't know if I'd use those as blushes. I might actually use those as like a shadow. Next up, I have got, it was a lipstick that I also got from Topshop. It's a matte lipstick, and it's in the shade Devotion. So that's the box there. And I have actually used it once as well, but it's really nice. So that's the shade. So it's like a mauve shade. It's really nice. I'm just gonna put a little bit there. That one there. It is so nice. I actually used it last time I went out, which was a couple of weeks ago. So that's the lipstick shade. It's really nice. I love like nude lipsticks and mauvey kind of colour ones. I'm also love a bright red lipstick as well, but this is quite a nice subtle one. It's one I think I'd wear I even just going shopping for the day or something like that, just on a day out. But it lasts really well as well, which is obviously a big plus when it comes to lipsticks. So yeah, I like that. Love the blush, and I definitely love the highlight as well, so thanks to my Secret Santa. So next up, I bought these today. As you know, my favourite lashes, they're the Ardell wispy lashes, but I wanted to go for some smaller ones, so I've gone for the Baby Demi, because I really want you can go and get the half size ones, so you can just put them on the outer corners of your eyes, but they don't actually sell them where I live, so I think I'm gonna have to order those online or something. But I really want to try and get some better lashes and get a bulk up on them, stock up on them a bit, because I don't actually have that many. But I think it's Lily lashes that are supposed to be really good ones, so I'm gonna have a bit of a look on the website. I've not actually looked at them before, I just heard about them, so I don't know how much they cost or anything like that. But I'm definitely going to look into those ones, and I'm just going to have a shop around. But if you do have any suggestions for me for the best lashes, I like subtle ones. I don't like to go, when you go fake lashes, I don't like to go really big and just in your face, so they automatically look really, really fake. I don't like that. So I'm more of a subtle kind of lash. I don't actually wear fake lashes very often. So yeah, if you've got any suggestions for me, then please just link it in the comment section just down below for me, and I will be very grateful for that. So yeah, I'm just going to stick these on now, and then I'll come back to you. Okay guys, so that there is the finished look for my purple gold glittery eyes. So I love the lashes, they're really nice, they're subtle lashes, which is exactly what I wanted. I don't feel like I've actually got any lashes on, which is even better. The lipstick feels great as well, just really happy with the products that I've used in the video, especially like the newer ones that I've bought as well. So definitely really pleased with that look. If you liked the video, then please remember to smash that thumbs up button just down below. Also, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe, and I'll be forever grateful. Also, head over to my Instagram, which is Holly, and that's with an IE.rutter, and head over to my Twitter account, which is Holly_makeup. And until next time, guys, take care.